resort living, hotel vibes, city view, your 3-story home in the calm hills of Antipolo. So, describing the house, it's modern contemporary style. So, makikita nyo, very elegant, no? And fine yung lines niya. At first, no, you will see it's not too flashy, pero you can see the presence of the house. Ayan. So, let's go. Sa right side, you will see a pocket garden, no? That adds calmness and peaceful vibes, no? Here in the frontage of the house. And you will see, no, wala siyang fence, guys. So, kasi yung mga homeowners dito, very confident sila sa security ng village. Ayan. And when you go dito sa right side ng house, you will see the automatic garage, which is one of the best features ng house, na automatic siya. No? So, kung galing ka sa work, pagod ka na, no, hindi mo na kailangan bumaba pa sa kotse mo para buksan siya. So, from the comfort of your house, ma-open mo na siya and you can go straight inside. Without the hassle of going down, no, sa car. This garage can fit 4 cars, no? 2 cars inside and 2 cars outside. Yan. So tara, punta naman tayo sa main door. Yan. Simula pa lang, guys, no, kita nyo na very elegant, no, yung pintuan pa lang. It's made of wood, no? Ang ganda ng accent na bumabagay dun sa accent to natural stone, no? Natural stones. And when you go inside, you will see pivot yung style niya. So, nandito na tayo inside the house and you will notice agad is the accent on the wall na hindi siya basta lang ginawa, pinag-isipan siya. On this side, it's the window that gives natural light. Yan. And also, you will notice na may mirror, nagpapaad ng elegance, and yung black accent na terno siya, no? In pair siya dun sa stairs na dinaanan natin kanina. Lahat na nandito, all the furnitures na nag-a-add ng ganda dun sa bahay is included. Oh, kasama na rin itong mga gamit na nandito, yung sala na to, and the TV, and everything that you can see here. Okay, so ang nakaka-excite, no, when you go here, yung pinakamagandang feature na house is the view. Yan. So, isa to sa mga hinahanap, no? Pagpasok mo ng house, on top of yung elegance ng bahay, ang isa pa sa nagdadagdag ng ganda sa kanya is the city view na even in the morning or in the night, it gives you a very relaxing feels. Yan. So, nandito na tayo sa terrace and you will see, no, na para siyang extension ng living room. Lumabas ka, yung outdoor yung feels mo, pero you're still inside the house. And of course, no, mapapansin mo, yan, may 2 areas, no, where you can work, no, in the morning or even the afternoon with the city view. So, ang lawak nung terrace niya, guys, no, from the living area up to the dining area, you can see na can still enjoy both the view, both areas with the view. Kasi yung ang laki no ano niya nung sliding glass door niya Ayan, makikita nyo yan dito. So, you have a dining area, dining table for 8 people. And ang ganda ng accent niya kasi bukod sa chandelier, it's also drop ceiling siya. Ayan. So, dito sa kitchen area, you will notice a door on the side. So, this door, ito yung leading from the garage. So, yun nga, pagpasok mo from the garage, don't have to go through the main door, but meron na tayong pintuan dito. O, diretso na. So, ayan. And here, you will see a breakfast nook para kung di mo na bet pumunta dun sa dining area at nagmamadali ka, you can eat here. A very spacious kitchen. Naka-marble top finish siya. And yung sink niya is under-mounted. Hindi siya yung basta lang nakapatong. And from the sink, there is a window rin na, again, you can see the city view and it gives natural light to the kitchen. Everything that you can see here, the ref, the oven, the microwave, yung range hood is also included. Tara, punta tayo dito sa access door, going to the pool area. Yan. So pagpasok mo, hindi siya yung, kala mo ground floor siya, pero meron pa siya sa baba. Kasi, yung topography nung property, it's sloping downwards, no? Ayan. So from the living area, may access tayo going to the pool area. Maganda dito, paglabas mo, you feel agad outdoor ka na, but you're still inside your house. And on the right side, hindi lang siya basta wall, meron siyang accent ng natural stone, just like yung outside. And may garden siya dito. And meron tayong falls doon. Ayan. Ito, makikita niyo, sobrang laki ng space, guys, that you can use for any events that you want. O, kung may guest kayo, you don't have to stay dun sa living area, pwede kayo dito magstay para mag-chill. Ayan, you can see the pool, of course, and ano siya, infinity pool siya na design. Okay? And syempre, meron siyang sariling shower here. And if sawa ka na mag-pool, you can go straight here sa ating entertainment or gaming area here. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa another part ng activity area na feels may very gamey, parang very bar type yung pakiramdam mo. Ayan. Kasi well-designed yung area, and when you go straight here, meron tayong access going to the living room. So you don't have to go outside para umakyat, but pwede na dito. Ayan. So dito, well-designed siya with the fluted wall panel, and dito sa side na to, hindi mo siya mahalata because meron tayong hidden toilet and bath. Ayan. So, meron na rin tayo dito sariling TV. If you want to watch yung mga sports events, pwede ka dito manood. Meron tayong countertop dito na marble din yung finish. May sink. And yun, parang dining bar area here. Pagkapasok mo dito, go straight ka dito. Meron tayong bedroom. Okay. Na, of course, pag may guest ka, pwede sila dito magstay. May sarili na rin siyang TV. On the side, may sariling aircon. So, and yung pinakamagandang part is, of course, meron na naman siya ulit glass door here na parang continuation dun sa other side. So, pag nandito ka, nasa bedroom ka, you can still enjoy the view, no? And pwede ka rin dumiretso labas from here. Ayan. So tara, akyat tayo ulit sa mga bedroom. So, we're here sa second floor kung nasaan yung mga bedrooms natin. So, we have 3 bedrooms. Okay, and first thing that you will notice is, ito nga, from this space, ang laki ng space niya. And then you will see here the accent wall na nag-continue from the entrance, from the ground floor, up here sa second floor. And also, siguro kanina nyo pa na-notice is the glass railings na present sa mga stairs and up to here, up to the second floor. So here, itong stairs na to, it will lead up to the rooftop na later i-visit natin. And dalawin natin dito yung dalawang bedrooms. Pero while naglalakad tayo, we'll see itong mga laser cut panels natin. Nag-a-add ng accent. From here, saka dito, itong sa side na to, nag-give siya ng natural light from the windows up dun sa area kanina. We're here ngayon sa isa sa mga bedrooms. Pagpasok mo ng room, ang first na manonotice mo, it's like you're inside a hotel. Because yung owner natin, yung design niya talaga na ginusto niya for her house is hotelish yung feel niya. Okay? So dito, sa bedroom na to, there is a small terrace, no, na facing yung ating street kanina. So makakapag-stay tayo dyan if you want to like feel the sunlight or have an outdoor feel. And dito meron tayong sariling TV and air split type aircon. And of course, meron din tayo dito sariling toilet and bath. Yan. So on the other side, punta naman tayo doon sa kabilang room. Punta tayo ngayon sa another room na parang twin siya nung previous room na napunta natin. So it's the same, no? We have this hotel feels. But this time, no, yung terrace natin, it's not facing the street. It's facing, again, the city view. Yan. So, kung ako papipiliin, mas gusto ko dito. Kasi mas maganda yung view ko eh. So dito, ayan, it's the same, no? May toilet and bath tayo, may sarili tayong TV, split type aircon, and of course, yung mga wardrobe cabinet natin. Ayan. So punta ngayon tayo dun sa master's bedroom. Tara! Pero bago tayo pumunta sa master's bedroom, yung mapapansin mo from here is the loft area. So from here, paglabas mo actually ng master's bedroom, ang mag-welcome sa'yo are all the windows. Imagine mo, naka-close lang yung curtain, pero pag yan nakabukas lahat, all windows siya. And from here, makikita mo yung living area with all the bronze na mga accents natin sa house. Talagang nag-a-add siya ng premium feels. So, let's go sa master's bedroom. Yan. First, notice mo, it's parang more premium siya dun sa dalawang rooms. Padded yung wall niya. But yung pinakamagandang part niya is yung terrace niya is larger. Mas malaki siya. From there until parang covered niya yung buong length ng room. Yan. So, we have a larger TV. Of course, mayroon din siya sariling fan and aircon. And when you walk going out, you will see here yung display cabinet. And, of course, yung mga wardrobe cabinet natin on the left side. Pero, may hidden door ulit dito. So, may surprise tayo. Yan. So, from here, it's not actually a cabinet, but an access to the walk-in closet, guys. So here, may walk-in closet. Yan, pasok tayo. Nandito tayo sa toilet and bath. But this time, meron tayong bathtub. Okay, so kung ang feel mong gawin is like mag-drink ng wine while seeing the city view or during sunset, yan, perfect dito. But if di mo naman trip yung sunset, nagsawa ka na, pwede ka manood din ng TV while doing your thing in the bathtub. Okay? So from here, you will see then yung finish nung sink. It's very neat. Stain-free din siya. And of course, yung mirror natin, sobrang laki niya. And it matches also with the mirrors nung mga previous room na pinuntahan natin. So terno-terno sila. Yan. And of course, let's go out. So tara, punta na naman natin yung third floor where you will be surprised kasi meron na naman tayong another place for events and for our guests. Tara! So we're here on the third floor. Ayan, sa top area ng bahay. So nandito tayo sa open place. No, wherein kung nagsasawa ka na sa pool, no, pwede mong dalhin dito yung guests mo para magkaroon ng siguro barbecue party, no? Kasi hindi ka rin worried kahit umulan dahil bukod sa open space siya, meron tayong part na may ceiling, no? So dito, two sides yung makikita mo. One side is the city view na nakita natin kanina, but in this side, makikita mo yung part ng mountain area naman. So yung feels niya talaga very calming kasi alam mo yun, para ka talaga nasa province. Yan. So dito, yan, kung wala naman tao, walang events, andito yung laundry area natin. And ditong place na to, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin na pangsampayan or pagtuyo ng mga clothes natin. Yan. So tapos, di ba, syempre, nagpa-party kayo. Let's say, sabihin natin summer o kaya, di summer pero medyo mainit ang panahon. Naghanap kayo ng aircon na part. Meron tayong room dito. Yan, na meron ditong space na may mga windows din kasi dito sa part ng bahay na to, yung may pinakamagandang view ng city. No, kasi almost ano siya 270 degrees yung nakikita mo from here Kitang-kita mo talaga lahat. Yan, so ito yung top view kaya wala talaga obstruction from the environment na nakikita mo. So, dito, pagpasok natin sa room na to, nainitan ka, no? So, pwede mong isa na tong glass doors na to. Or if medyo malimig naman yung panahon, may screen door siya. Naka-off yung aircon, pero may screen. So, any whichever you preferred. Pero, meron tayong place where your visitors or you yourself can stay. So, meron tayo again bar, yung mini bar. Okay, marble finish din yung countertop niya, guys. May sariling TV, may sauna, and toilet and bath dito. So, you don't need to go downstairs para mag-take ng shower or do your thing, no, na mag-wiwi or mag number 2. Kasi, lahat ng kailangan mo, andito na rin sa floor na to. So, parang guys, bawat floor ng house is independent siya. Kasi lahat merong parang kitchen, may toilet and bath, may bedroom, and may place wherein you can do your activities. Yan. So, dito may another room, no? Going pababa sa living room. Yan. This house has a lot area of 490 square meters and a floor area of 650 square meters. So, it has 5 bedrooms with each bedroom having its own toilet and bath. It has a garage that can accommodate 4 cars. So, if you are interested in staying sa bahay na peaceful, quiet, you can enjoy the nature, no, but at the same time isn't far away from the city, no? And if you want a place na para kang nasa hotel every day, then check this house. No, just message us if you want to visit it in person, or you can message us for any increase. And if you want your property to be featured by us, don't hesitate to message us. And guys, don't forget to follow us on our socials. Thanks!